Hello everyone! If you are looking for a video tutorial about how to set up coming soon page on Shopify, this is the right video for you, or this is the right place, because right now I am going to teach you step by step on what are you going to do and how to do that thing. So you just need to follow these things and finish this video. Let's start. Okay guys, the first thing that we need to do is, of course, we need to set up our theme. So if you don't have any theme yet, before we proceed in customize, let's proceed first in the themes. What we're going to do is to click add theme button, and right here, as you can see, here are the themes that you can use or you can buy in Shopify. There are free themes that you can use, and there are payable themes. Because I already have my theme, I'm just going to click the back, and as you can see, this is my theme wherein it is done. Let's proceed with the customize. You just need to click that one, and once it was open, the thing that we can do here is to start to customize our page. Let's go back and let's start. The thing that we need to do is we need to find the pages and click that one. For example, I want to add another specific page, so that's why I'm going to click add page in the right side. What we're going to do here is to think or type the title that you want. In my case, I'm going to type sale, sale, sale for the title. And for the content, right here, I'm going to type the coming soon. Want to that coming soon sentence, you just need to select that, and you can bold that one or italic type. In my case, I'm going to bold that coming soon, and I'm going to italic style that also. If you're already contented for the font size or font style, you just need to select for the theme template as default page, and after that, we just need to save the changes that we have made. Wait until it's finished saving. And as it says, sale, sale, sale created. So it means that you have successfully created that page. So let's view that page, and here it is. And let's go back. We just need to click the back, and then let's proceed with the navigation. Just open the navigation, and right here we are going to add menu. As you can see here, here is the main menu and footer menu. In the title, we are just going to enter the title like we did before, and after we enter that, we'll be proceeding with the add menu item. Just click that add menu item and then type what you desire. And after that, you just need to paste the link or search for that one. After that, let's click the add button and save the menu. And that's it for this video. If you did those things correctly, it will be shown to your store that there are coming soon in your store. And that's it. I hope this video helps you, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.